Supabase versus PostgreSQL. What's the difference? Choosing the right backend solution can completely change how you build and scale applications without complex setup or managing infrastructure. Supabase offers a managed platform, while PostgreSQL is a powerful database system. Supabase and PostgreSQL are closely related but serve different roles. PostgreSQL is an open-source relational database, while Supabase is a backend-as-a-service platform built on top of PostgreSQL that adds APIs, authentication, and real-time features to simplify development. Supabase is an open-source backend platform that provides developers with an instant API, authentication, and real-time subscriptions, all powered by a PostgreSQL database. It works by layering a suite of tools and services on top of PostgreSQL, enabling developers to create full-featured applications faster without managing infrastructure. Supabase automatically generates RESTful and GraphQL APIs from your database schema, handles user authentication and authorization, and supports real-time data updates via WebSockets. Its strengths lie in rapid development, ease of use, and integrated features like storage and edge functions. However, Supabase depends on PostgreSQL underneath, so any PostgreSQL limitation applies. Also, its abstraction may limit deep customization for advanced database tuning. Supabase is ideal for developers and startups who want to build scalable applications quickly with minimal backend overhead, relying on managed services rather than managing databases directly. For teams looking for a full backend solution that integrates database, auth, and real-time capabilities out of the box, Supabase offers a powerful and developer-friendly platform. PostgreSQL is a powerful open-source relational database management system known for its robustness, extensibility, and standards compliance. It stores and organizes structured data using tables, supports complex queries, transactions, and advanced data types. Developers interact with PostgreSQL directly through SQL commands or via Python libraries in various programming languages. PostgreSQL's strengths include high performance, data integrity, support for custom functions, and advanced indexing techniques. It is suitable for applications requiring complex data relationships, reliable transactions, and fine-tuned database control. However, PostgreSQL requires manual setup, configuration, and maintenance, which can be challenging for teams without dedicated database administrators. It also lacks built-in backend services like authentication or real-time APIs, so these must be implemented separately. PostgreSQL is ideal for enterprises and developers who need complete control over their database environment, want to optimize performance, and are comfortable managing infrastructure. For projects with complex data requirements or custom backend logic, PostgreSQL provides the foundation for building scalable and reliable applications. Supabase and PostgreSQL complement each other but target different needs. PostgreSQL is the core database engine offering full control, advanced querying, and customization, perfect for complex data-intensive applications where managing infrastructure is feasible. Supabase builds on PostgreSQL by adding ready-to-use backend services like authentication, auto-generated APIs, and real-time data syncing, making it ideal for developers seeking rapid development without deep database management. For example, a startup needing to launch quickly with user sign-up, storage, and live updates benefits from Supabase's integrated platform. Conversely, a large enterprise with specialized data workflows and dedicated DBAs may prefer PostgreSQL alone for maximum flexibility. The trade-off is between ease of use and control. Supabase simplifies backend development but may limit advanced tuning, while PostgreSQL demands more setup but offers unmatched customization and performance options. Choose Supabase if you want to manage backend with built-in APIs, authentication, and real-time features to accelerate app development without managing infrastructure. Opt for PostgreSQL if you require full control over your database, need advanced customization, or have the resources to manage your infrastructure. Both tools offer powerful capabilities, so select based on your project's complexity and development priorities to build scalable, reliable applications.